last week, it's just sort of have a spring right here, touch the demand line of the channel. I mentioned that this channel could provide some support. This is also important because that is the axis line. The previous resistance now become the support. Resistance now become the support. And also this is the demand line. It rebounded off that level. That is very encouraging for the bull. Subsequently, we got a very bullish reaction of the FOMC and also continuation, follow through, and eventually touch the immediate target at about 4,200. That 3 candles right here certainly is the climatic run. We got a climatic run up into the resistance level and followed by a reaction. And most importantly, 4,200 is a important level. It's testing the previous resistance level. Look at this. And also, if I zoom out a little bit, here is a supply zone, and here is the uptrust bar. And both comes with really high volume. That's increasing of the volume. That's also increasing of the volume. And also, look at this. The reason bars touching the resistance level, although it comes with increasing of the volume, but if you take a look, that is decreasing throughout. The supply is not as threatening as before. That is a good thing. And most importantly, the reaction is still unfolding. Previously, this uptrust bar right here, after an attempt to touch 4,200, here comes a reaction. This is very sharp reaction. Unlike these few candles right here, although it is only the third candle for today, but the reaction so far is still very encouraging and still relatively healthy and bullish. And also, if we take a look at either this bar or this bar, either one of them comes with spike of the supply, spike of the volume here, and also here. The volume is excessive, and look at the spread right here. That's excessive as well. Super bearish bar. And also this one, the spread is very wide as well. But here, this is a bullish bar, and also the reaction is not as threatening as before yet. All of this painted a bullish pullback at the moment. If we look at the most recent price action and also most recent level, this is the level that is defending. And also, if we look at this little range right here, here's a range. That's by a breakout and then pullback, tested the axis line. And if we extend the demand line right here, it's a place that's where the demand line with the horizontal support level. This is also quite important. But so far, if we want to treat this level as an area, this bar is the key. This is the breakout bar that break through the immediate trading range and then followed by a pullback. If the pullback extend a little bit, test around 4080, it's still relatively good as long as it could rebound off the level. For the bull, we don't want to see a violation of this bar, means that's around 4050. That is the level that we want to see can actually hold. This is the bar that it should provide the support. Ultimately, we want to see the rebound of the level right here and also that with the demand line, similar to the previous pullback. This is the axis line, that is the demand line, that is the pullback, touches, and then rebound. Again, this is the axis line, that is the pullback, and that is the demand line. Hopefully, it could reverse from here. That should paint a very bullish picture ahead, and S&P 500 should test the next level ahead, about 4,300. That is the previous swing high level. That's the S&P 500 for the immediate term, immediate target. And this up channel is overbought. So coincides with the resistance level. It's very natural place for a pullback to happen. and supply has been decreasing, at least yesterday, that one bar alone, that suggests a rally attempt. We want to see a rally attempt by another test. And if we could do something like this, breakout, that would be very encouraging for the bull. All right, next is the Russell. Russell is showing outperformance short term and together with a NASDAQ as well. But if we take a look at Russell, is the first index that's broken out. Let me zoom in here. This is the first index that breaks out here. Look at this bar. It's initiated a breakout. Short term, that shows quite a lot of the outperformance and is reflected in many of the small cap stocks as well, small to mid cap. And so far, we got this 3 bullish bar right here, which is super encouraging for the bull. And if we look at the last bar here, so far, this 2 bar pullback still has not violated this last bar to the upside. If we want to find a level, then the bear has the right to pull back all the way to about 1920 and is still within an uptrend, within an up channel. That's still fine for the bull. All right. And in terms of the other 2 index, NASDAQ, like I mentioned, is showing also outperformance short term, but looks very climatic, especially the last 2 bar. This 2 bar is very climatic run up, and it comes with a relatively high volume as well, increasing of the volume. And the pullback so far is probably just testing the gap area right here. We got a slightly bearish bar right here, and then followed by small spread bar with decreasing of the volume. If we can have an attempt to rally followed by a higher low test, and we can expect the follow through to the upside to test the next level. Once it's breakout of this 13K, that's a swing high. We still have around this level, and then this is a more significant level, 13,600. That is a previous swing high level. So overall, this is still short-term pullback, but the swing is still up. If you want to catch my latest videos, click on the subscribe button and the bell right now so that you get instant notification once I upload my latest video. If you want to check out my online courses, go to tradeprecise.com to find out how to profit consistently from any market without using complex indicator or understanding any financial statement, no matter you are trading or investing.